Well, we've been so blessed to have worked with so many different customers and still continue to work with so many customers. It's a lot of fun to serve people and to make a difference in their business, in their lives. That their job is actually more fun and it's more enjoyable because we participated. One of the areas that I really enjoyed working in was in the moving and storage space. Family moves. There's a franchisee in this region, kind of works from Phoenix down through Houston and Dallas, San Antonio, and they are representatives of Mayflower United and van lines, and they move hundreds of thousands of pounds of goods every week or two through with multiple families going all around the world, and a lot of work with the military. And we transformed their business processes incrementally, little steps at a time. Everything's web based. It's paperless. They have vendor portals to move a family from the United States to Japan or Afghanistan or wherever they might be going. Frankfurt, Germany. Through the years, military and their families have always been had to move and follow their service member around the world, and it takes tons of vendors to participate in that. So we've put vendor portals up where the vendors can say, "Hey, what paperwork do I need right now?" The system automatically puts that together in a little dashboard where they can say, "What do I need to do next? What's all the paperwork that I need, and who do I need to notify?" So that simple step happens for each of those vendors, and then the management company that manages that process just gets notified of things when things aren't working in the timeframes that they're supposed to. If things are moving smoothly, which 95% of the time they're moving smoothly, they don't need to be looking at every individual transaction. They can instead just focus on the things where something's not working right. And then that's applying your smart people to better use of their time. It keeps you from, the mind-numbing tasks of just pushing things along. And then there's portals that we put in place for all the folks along the way. So there's Dispatch web browser or an iPad. The folks that are doing the quoting and in the fields, working with the family members to move goods and services, can use iPads and web browsers to assign out to figure out what tasks need to be done, what size trucks need to be brought, what kind of special equipment needs to be brought. And the customer, the military management groups or private family individuals can log on and see where their stuff is. Kind of like FedEx. Where's my stuff? Go see a map. You can see that. You can see where my stuff is. And the military appreciates that. They like modern, cool stuff. For web technology improvements that we've done. So that was a really fun company that we've been able to help this past year, that involves digital imaging of utility equipment. They are able to, with the improvements in drone technology and the reduced price of those things, you can use drones to do a lot of inspections of equipment that used to have to be done by humans in dangerous situations. A lot of times equipment fails in bad weather. Drones can have a little better time, a little safer evaluating that equipment. And we have automated the creation and flow of the digital imagery and evaluation process through web technology and creation of these reports, so that a utility person can show up to a particular device, have the right equipment, have the right replacement parts, go up that pole or that dangerous situation with difficult weather one time instead of three. So making somebody's life better, making individuals have a safer job through better technology, having kind of given that pre-screening of what needs to be brought up that utility, what needs to happen. Those types of things are, we've been a part of the improvement of that process. So that's been crazy fun to participate in. That's something we've really enjoyed doing.